Aloe vera, we all know that it's good. But what is the benefit of aloe vera for skincare and more? So it's been used for, I don't know, millions, decades, like for healing, and for, like, the Egyptian called it the plant of immortality. Since then, it's used become more targeted and even medical, and it's one of the leading, for example, therapy things for sunburned. Aloe vera is a cactus plant that grows in dry climates, and some countries you can find it's like on the road, but you can also get your own pot of aloe vera if you like. In the big leaves of the aloe vera there is a gel, and when you break off from the rest of the plant, this gel can apply it as it is directly on the skin and soothe it, or like I use it as an ingredient in some of the products. Various studies has been examined the benefits of aloe vera plant, and it was found that it has that is very effective in treating a variety of skin conditions, from flaky to dry skin, dehydrated, acne, and many more. So the 8 benefits that I wrote today of aloe vera gel. 1, it treats sunburns. I think that's probably the most familiar use of it. It helps with healing sunburns and heal the cells that cover the body, and create a protective layer on the skin that helps replenish its moisture. And speaking about moisture, it acts as moisturizer. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin without making it greasy, so it's perfect for anyone with more like combination skin or oily skin, or if you are in a very warm climate that you feel that a heavy cream is just too greasy, then you can use a cream that is based on aloe vera, on gel. So for example, I have one of the face cream that it's called Summer Rose, and as its name, it's very popular in the summer, and it's based on aloe vera gel and also seaweed gel, so it's gel based, it's not so heavy, it's very hydrating, and a lot of women like to use it in the summer. As well as in the lifting serum, there is also aloe vera and other many goodies for this. This is like my superstar morning serum, by the way, for hydration. Aloe vera also treats acne because it contains 2 hormones, auxin and gibberellins. I'm not sure I say it correctly. And these 2 hormones provide wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties, inflammations. So I also use it actually in the acne treating kit. There is also a gel with aloe vera. Kind of the same as I already said, it fights signs of aging, because we all lose hydration from the skin as we grow, and the aloe vera gel contains a lot of antioxidant and vitamin C and E that can help improve the skin and gives it the water hydration that it needs. It can also help with stretch marks. This is more body thing usually. It makes it more elastic, and the stretch mark can go, by consistent use, can be reduced. it's the solid material, the pure aloe vera gel, contains over 75 different nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and like a lot of amino acids and good things. So it's overall just good stuff. I'm talking about pure organic, or straight from the leaf, or pure organic good aloe vera. When you can also drink aloe vera, I'm sure you know that, and this usually helps with digestion. The plant improves digestion and to relieve pain in the stomach, but this is more when you drink it, when you take it eternal with the juice. But these things you can do your research, because again, I am not qualified as a doctor to talk about medical things. So for the skin, where I use aloe vera gel, where you can find is like I said, in the Summer Rose face cream. The second is in that's for men, the aftershave gel, in the eye cream, which is a gel based, and in the deodorant, the unisex aloe vera deodorant, I also use aloe vera gel. So overall, it's a beautiful ingredient. When you get it for yourself and you want to use it pure, you can either get a plant of aloe vera and use the gel, or if you buy, make sure you buy organic that contains aloe vera and not like 2% aloe vera and a lot of junk. So if you continue to use it, I'm sure you will see the improvement of your skin yourself, especially how more hydrated it feels.